Hey everyone, if you're having trouble logging into your Epic Games account, whether you're seeing an error message or getting stuck on the login page, stick around. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix it. The first thing we're going to do is open the Start menu by pressing the Windows key, and then type Run. Click on the Run icon. In the Run window, type %local app data % and press Enter. Scroll through the list until you find the folders labeled Epic Games and Epic Games Launcher. We're going to delete these two folders by selecting them, right-clicking and choosing the Delete option. These folders store cache files, so it's completely safe to delete them as they'll be recreated the next time you open the app. If your computer won't let you delete these folders, it's likely because the Epic Games client is still running. To fix that, press ET or Alt+ Delete and select Task Manager. In the search bar at the top, type Epic and close any Epic Games processes running in the background. Then go back to the folders and try deleting them again. After deleting the folders, try logging into the Epic Games client again to see if it resolves the issue. If not, let's move on to the next step. Next, we'll attempt to repair the Epic Games launcher to ensure none of its files are corrupted. To do this, open the Start menu, type Control Panel, and select it. Then, click Uninstall a program, search for Epic, and locate the Epic Games launcher. Right-click on it and select Repair. This process may take a few minutes. After that, try launching the Epic Games client again and logging in. If you're still unable to log in, the last thing to try is disabling full-screen optimizations and ensuring the app runs as an administrator. Head over to your desktop and find the Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check both Disable Full-Screen Optimizations and Run this program and Administrator. Then, click Apply and OK to save the changes. If that doesn't work, the final step is to uninstall and reinstall the app. Open the Start menu again, search for Programs, and select Add or Remove Programs. Scroll down until you find the Epic Games Launcher. Click the three dots next to it and hit Uninstall. Once uninstalled, go to the Epic Games website to download and reinstall the client. Hopefully, one of these steps fix your login issue. But if you're still facing problems, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.